Gingerbread cookies. Yummo! That's what's on the agenda for today. So if you're interested, follow me and let's get cooking. Well, today we're going to make some ginger snap cookies in the air fryer. And this is the recipe I'll be using. And here are all the ingredients. We've got all-purpose flour, sugar, pumpkin pie spice, baking soda, not baking powder, but baking soda, some ginger. I have two. It calls for, what is it? Let's see, grated fresh ginger. I don't have that. This is what I've got, and this is what I'm using. About a teaspoon of this and a big squirt of this, so that ought to work. And here's old grandma's molasses and some salt. And I did what it said. Here are the instructions. And I did what it said. I put the dry ingredients in one bowl and then mixed up the other, then put them together and used my handy dandy Cuisinart cordless mixer. I love that thing. I hadn't had it that long and just love it. Anyway, I've got this nice big ball, so I'm gonna use a little cookie scoop and put it, scoop it out, and well, I'll show you what comes next. Okay, here are my little cookies. I think they're gonna be really great. I'm gonna put these in the freezer, and I cook us like 4 at a time. We each get 2 cookies as a little treat at night. So this will give us like 8 batches. So I will freeze them like this, and then I'm gonna put them, stack them like on some wax paper or parchment paper or something. Put them in a Ziploc bag and pull them out when I get ready to cook. So I can't remember. I think it's 330 for 8 minutes, but I will write this down in the description below. I can't remember. But anyway, they look good. I even did a little taste. I saw this recipe and it looked really good. I had made us a batch of gingerbread cookies back at Christmas. I found a sack of it, and I hadn't seen any since, so I thought, okay, let me find a recipe. And I landed on this one, and I think it's gonna be a winner. So I gotta hop it in the freezer, and then I'll show you how it looks after it's cooked. Okay, I've gotten my little cookies all frozen on the cookie sheet. So I've pulled 4 out, and that's what we're gonna have tonight. I'm gonna cook that in the air fryer, and I'm gonna try for 330 for 10 minutes. And then I put the rest of them in this little bag, and it works fine because they're like little ice cubes. I'll stick them in the freezer, pop them out 4 at a time, and we'll have our treat. So I'll show you how it goes momentarily. Well, here they are, folks. I think I'll take a pinch. Take a taste test. Good and crunchy. They're very good. Yeah. 330 for 10 minutes. Perfect.